We start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if you refer to our analysis, since the price was within this down move, we mentioned the ways reversing dropping is very corrective. We can look for reversal, and exactly this is what we get. Anyway, still we can look for continuation. The only thing is we have to see the breakout of this, and we can look for 54 following by 62 as a short-term target. And when I say the short-term targets, I mean I'm referring to the daily chart because with the breakout of the previous top, then we will give an update what's the next. And mostly we want to see the breakout of this. So anyway, based on daily chart, we don't have any trades set up. And even if we move to forward chart, similar explanation, because if we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for continuation since the price was here. And we mentioned we want to see the breakout of the 37.4. As we can see exactly the price tag, there was no breakout. Now the question is whether we can expect to get one more drop. This one can turn to a more complex flat before we see the continuation, or this is the only correction and we can look for continuation. Okay. By the way, for me, if I want to look for buy, I prefer to see the breakout of the 37.4 before I take the next trade. Buying within this range, it depends on the traders, but I won't suggest. And even if he wants to look for buy within that range, we should consider any trade as a short-term trade. Anyway, at this point, we don't have any trade set up, and even we can expect this one turn. Now the question is, if we look at this small correction in relative to this move, whether this is the only correction and this is the start of the, I mean, we can look for continuation or we can expect this one turn to internal flat before we see the next drop. If we get one more drop, then any reversal from there, it can give us better opportunity to look for buy rather than the buying here. That's why for me, if I want to look for buy, if the price continue from here, I prefer to see the breakout of the 37.4 before I take the next trade. Anyway, at this point, we don't have any trade set up. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.